In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Get Rights tool in Taggbox to request permission from creators and legally reuse their social media content. First, log into your Taggbox dashboard and open the social feed or widget where your collected user-generated content is stored. Next, go to the moderation section and select the post you want permission to use for your website, ads, or marketing campaigns. After selecting the post, click on the Get Rights button. Taggbox will automatically create a permission request message that can be sent directly to the content creator. You can customize the message to make it more personal or match your brand's tone before sending it out. Once the creator responds with the required approval hashtag or confirmation, Taggbox automatically updates the rights status for that content. Using the Get Rights tool is a great way to stay legally compliant while building stronger relationships with your audience and creators. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.